Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third and the last puzzle in yesterday's newspaper in the additional of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, May the 22nd, 2021. Yes, this weekend is Pentecost weekend, and today it's Sunday, with Sunday, and tomorrow is with Monday, and we don't receive any newspaper on those 2 days, Pentecost days, with Sunday and with Monday. I've decided to tomorrow to solve the additional, to continue the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. So first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 2835. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've already counted 20 printed digits, so must be an easy one. All right. So we can begin, and the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see only the one single box. The single box is always a 1. Do we see here dual boxes? Here, a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order, so I mark those 2 boxes. Only one dual box, triple box. I see here a triple box. It contains the 1, 2, and a 3. The 1 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and or a 3. I do not know in which order, so I mark those 2 boxes. Triple box we have here. Then the quadra box, and do we see quadra boxes here? Only one. Here the single box is already filled in. Haha. Here, quadra box, and I've told you in early editions of the Tectonics, if you see an L shape with 4 boxes, quadra box, then this box is always a 5. So it's correct. The other 3, the 1 is already filled in. It contains the 2, the 3, and the 4. Okay, but I do not know in which order. All right, so the following step now is to recognize some shapes or figures or construction or structures. You named it. All right. Let me see. The L shape here with 5 boxes rotated. Yes. Let me draw this. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has always the same number as that box. More L shapes. Here another L shape, so this box has always the same number as that box. More L shapes, no. Then the following figure, this kind of figure here. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box always the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Do we have another figure like this one? Yes. This one, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So it must be a 3. All right, 3. Let me mark those. Not mark. Let me fill the 3 here. Only one? Yeah, only one figure or shape. Those are the figures or shapes or construction that you need to recognize. All right, no more others. So let's get started with filling the numbers. All right. Let me see. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. In this area, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. All right, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this L shape area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. All right, those 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. All right, that means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be, those 2 boxes can also not be a 3. We have a 3 here. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a 2, double 2 here. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. All right. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this L shape area for the numbers 2 and 1. We have 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1. That's a pair. So the other empty box should be a 5. 1 box left for the 5, yes. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. Let me see. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 2. All right. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. All right. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 5. Okay. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. All right. 2 and a 3. Okay. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. I have a double 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore because I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 4, or those two boxes cannot be 4. So one box left for the 4 should be here. Alright. So the 1, 5, and the 2 are left. This box cannot be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have 2 here, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. The 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. Then 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, 3 and a 5. I've 1. This box cannot be a 1. Well, this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. The other pair should be the 2 and the 5. Alright. I've marked those two boxes with the 1. Well, I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this is not the solution to place the 1 here. Here, the 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. Alright, 1 and 4. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Alright, now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, 2 and a 5. 3 and a 5. 2 and a 3. Oh, wait. Here we have more numbers. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4 and a 5. We have a 4 and a 5 there, so it must be a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, 3 and a 4, 5, 3 and a 5. Well, this box cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Finished in 12 minutes. Correct. Faster than 50 minutes I need for a 1-star puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I like this one. Quick. Your brain needs to work quick. And yeah. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. With Monday. I will continue with the Friday edition with the rest of the puzzles of the additional. Alright. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists, different kind of for different kind of puzzles, tectonics, binaries, ladders, sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. All kind of sudokus. I have a playlist. Just subscribe and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Sunday with Sunday, and we will meet again on with Monday tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Sunday with Sunday. Bye bye for now.